How would you tell someone, or how would you encourage that leader to guide this upcoming leader? Like, what kind of information or tidbits would you say to an experienced leader who wants to guide someone who's going to be moving up in the ranks?
That's a good question. So we've talked about in other episodes and in some of our leadership tips and whatnot, we've talked about the performance pendulum. And one of the things we talk about with the performance pendulum is that your high performers, okay, they need to be empowered and challenged in order to stay motivated and engaged. Because the high performers are the ones that are doing really well. They probably don't need a lot of guidance. They don't need a lot of correction. They generally don't need a lot of feedback. They just do a good job, and they're always seeking more. So you got to have stuff for them. If you just say, just do your job, don't ask questions, you will lose those high performers. So you got to challenge them, and you got to empower them. And I would say actually the same thing applies here. If you're a leader and you've identified a potential leader on your own team, empower them, right? Give them more responsibility, challenge them, and coach them, right? And what a good coach does is three things in our program that we teach. We say that they build on positives, they involve others on the team, and they clarify expectations.